Hello students, in this video we are going to solve another Math Olympiad problem which says if 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x equals 48, we need to find the value of x. So let's start with the solution. First we'll write the expression which is 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x equals 48. In this expression, we can take 2 raised to power x common from the left hand side. So that's going to be 2 raised to power x outside the bracket. 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 48. Or this is going to be 2 raised to power x times 3, because 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3 equals 48. Or 2 raised to power x equals 48 divided by 3, dividing by 3 on both sides. So this is going to be 2 raised to power x equals 48 divided by 3 is 3 times 1 is 3, 1 is remainder, this becomes 18. 3 times 6 is 18. 2 raised to power x equals 16. To find the value of x, we are going to now write 16 in terms of exponents. So the factors of 16 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which equals 2 raised to power 4, which gives the value of x equals 4. Here we have used the law of exponent, which says that if a raised to power n equals a raised to power m, then n equals m. Using this law, we got the value of x equals 4. So this is our final answer. Now we can even check and verify our answer. So let's check and verify. So our initial expression was 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x equals 48. Now putting the value of x equals 4, we have 2 raised to power 4 plus 2 raised to power 4 plus 2 raised to power 4 equals 48. Now 2 raised to power 4 equals 16. And this is 16 plus 16 plus 16 equals 48. And 16 plus 16 plus 16 equals 48. This equals right hand side. Hence, we have verified that the value of x equals 4. Let's take a look at the solution again. So I hope this video is helpful to you. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more math videos. Thanks for watching.